Introduction to AWS Amplify S3 integration. To get started with AWS Amplify S3 integration, you need to have an AWS account and an S3 bucket set up. AWS Amplify is a development platform that helps you build secure, scalable, and engaging mobile and web applications. S3 or Simple Storage Service is an object storage service that allows you to store and serve large amounts of data. Key concepts. The key concepts you need to understand for AWS Amplify S3 integration are IAM roles and policies. IAM, or Identity and Access Management, is a service that helps you manage access to your AWS resources. You need to create an IAM role and policy that allows your Amplify application to access your S3 bucket. Step-by-step guide. The first step is to install the Amplify storage module using npm or yarn. Then you need to configure the Amplify storage module by adding your AWS credentials and S3 bucket information. Next, you need to create an IAM role and policy that allows your Amplify application to access your S3 bucket. Practical examples. For example, you can use the Amplify storage module to upload and download files from your S3 bucket. You can also use the Amplify storage module to store and serve images and videos. Best practices. The best practices for AWS Amplify S3 integration are to use IAM roles and policies to manage access to your S3 bucket. You should also use encryption to protect your data in transit and at rest. Additionally, you should monitor your S3 bucket and Amplify application for any security issues. Conclusion. In conclusion, AWS Amplify S3 integration is a powerful tool that allows you to build secure and scalable applications. By following the step-by-step guide and best practices outlined in this tutorial, you can successfully integrate your Amplify application with your S3 bucket and start building robust and engaging applications.